Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever. I don't want to sign in. Okay, so maybe Google. Just have the keyboard on the screen, that's all you need. And now simply tap on this settings icon in this upper bar. Now let's tap on languages and types. And there we've got the list of languages which are currently applied and which we are currently using. We've got only English one, it is based on our system language. So let's tap on manage input languages. And here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. At the top we've got those which are pre-installed and you can simply turn them on just by tapping on the switcher. However, under it we've got another section of this list with available languages and you can download them just by tapping on this download icon. And they will immediately appear at the top of the list. Alright, so let me choose maybe Arabic because I'd like to show you the difference between the layouts. So all we have to do is to simply mark the language, just activate it with this switcher, and after getting back we can see that it has been immediately applied to this list. What is more, we've got an additional option, language switching method, which will be very useful if we will have more than one language added. And I'd like to show it to you also before I'll show you how to remove the language completely. So as you can see here, we can decide how we want to change the languages and we can either use spacebar, swipe, language key or both. And I will of course pick both options to show you how to use them. So let's go back to the keyboard quickly. And there, obviously, we've got our English layout, and we of course know that we've got also Arabic added. So in order to start typing in Arabic, we have to either swipe on the spacebar, and we can see that here we've got the Arabic language, or just tap on this globe icon, which acts the same. So this is the same function as the spacebar swipe. So now let me show you how to remove the language in order to totally change it. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here all we have to do is to again enter manage input languages and just tap on the switcher. I would like to keep English, so let me turn off the Arabic. Just tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the English language is the only language in this list, which means that after getting back to the keyboard we cannot use the spacebar swipe, we do not have the globe icon, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.